The cost of dental implants, what you need to know. Dental implants are an extremely popular and reliable method of replacing lost teeth and create the appearance of a natural smile. Many patients are concerned regarding the price of dental implants as well as how much they're worthy of the money. In this clip, we'll go over some of the elements that influence the price of dental implants as well as the reason they're usually considered to be beneficial for your dental health. What are dental implants? Dental implants are synthetic tooth roots surgically placed in the jawbone to provide dental bridges or replacement teeth. They're made from biocompatible substances like titanium. They allow they to join with bone to provide a solid and sturdy foundation for replacing teeth. Contrary to bridges and dentures, implants for dental are a lasting replacement for teeth that are missing and are durable provided they are properly maintained. Factors affecting the cost of dental implants. Dental implants cost is dependent on many factors. These include implant quality. Implants of top quality made from reliable materials are priced higher than cheaper alternative. It's important to pick an experienced, qualified dentist using top-of-the-line products to ensure the effectiveness as well as the longevity of the dental implants you choose to use. Number of implants. Dental implants also depends upon the amount of teeth to be substituted. If you're missing multiple teeth or you require a complete mouth reconstruction, the cost will be greater than if you need only an implant. Implant location. The placement of the implant inside the mouth may also impact the price. Implants located in the forward part of the mouth, in which they're visible and have a higher degree of personalization, could have a higher cost than implants located that are in the back of your mouth. Additional procedures. In a few situations, additional procedures such as dental grafting, sinus lifts, or even bone grafting could be necessary in order to prep the jawbone for the placement of implants. These procedures may add up to the total expense associated with dental implants. Why dental implants are worth the investment. The initial cost for dental implants could seem costly, however, they're generally considered to be a worthy investment in the health of your mouth for many reasons. Better appearance. Dental implants are like real teeth. This provides the appearance of natural teeth and are a beautiful alternative to missing teeth. Implants are a great way to boost your confidence and enhance your appearance overall. Improved oral health through dental implants help prevent bone loss and protect the integrity of the jawbone. They will help maintain your alignment and health of your remaining teeth as well as avoid any future oral health issues. The longevity of dental implants is a long-lasting solution to missing teeth. They are built to last a lifetime if given regular care. Contrary to bridges and dentures, which might need to be replaced after a few months, implants are the long-term, cost-effective option for replacing teeth. Better function. Dental implants are just like real teeth. This allows the user to eat, speak, and smile in confidence. Implants are durable and safe, which means you are able to eat the foods you love without worry about uncomfortable or slipping. Costs for dental implants can differ based on a number of variables, but they're often regarded as to be a worthy investment for the overall health of your teeth. Dental implants are a lasting and aesthetic solution to missing teeth. They also increase your smile, dental health, appearance, and general quality of life. If you're thinking about dental implants, it's crucial to talk to an experienced dentist to explore your options and figure out the ideal treatment strategy that best suits your specific requirements.